This video is going to show you how to set up an Atlas 250RC. This suitcase is a complete kit. There is 5 receivers and 1 command unit. Let's start with the command unit. Every kit has a serial number that they all shares. You can find it on the back of the units. In this kit, it's 100D. We'll pick the receivers 1 and 3. Also, let's take the shunt. The tester. The antennas. The CR123 batteries. And the safety key for the command unit. Now on how to set up the kit. The first thing to do before powering on the unit is to screw in the antennas on the SMA connector for every unit. The receivers need 3 batteries, the plus polarity to the bottom. To power on or off the receivers, press the button next to the battery compartment. Once powered on, you can see that the check LED is blinking. It means that the device is doing an auto test. Once the LED is still, the test is confirmed. In case of an error, it's the red cross that would light up. We can now plug the tester on the receiver. It simulates a firing line. By pressing the test button on the receiver, you can test the continuity of the firing line. The green LED shows the result of the test. Same procedure for receiver number 3 plus adding an external shunt for increased security. On the field, you are supposed to turn on the control unit after you started the safety delay and moved to the safe place. In this demo, we're showing the complete procedure with the receivers and control unit side by side for a better understanding of the system operation. The command unit needs 2 CR123 batteries and its safety key to be powered on. Only the person that handles the safety key can use it. During a few seconds after being powered, the green battery's LED is blinking. As you can see, no receivers are detected by the command unit. To connect the receivers to the command unit, you need to pass the 2-minute safety delay by pressing the delay button. The orange LED will then blink until the end of the delay, when it will become still. The receivers are now detected by the command unit, as shown by the green LEDs. Let's unplug the tester on the receiver number 1 to simulate a broken firing line. You can operate a remote continuity test with the command unit by pressing the All button. If the LED is blinking, it means that there is a continuity. To arm a receiver, you need to press the corresponding button on the command unit. When armed, the green LED turns orange and the armed LED on the receiver is lit. You are never supposed to see the armed LED on the field. To charge the armed receivers, press the CH button on the command unit. As you can see, the charge LED on the receivers is lit. Once again, you are not supposed to see this on the field. To discharge the receivers, release the CH button. Once discharged, the charge LED on the receivers turns off. To disarm a receiver, just press the button again. To fire, press the CH button until the receiver is charged, then press the F button. It fires all the charged receivers, so in our case only the number 1. The receivers switch to sleep mode when the command unit is turned off during 1 minute. In this mode, the battery life is 150 hours. When in sleep mode, all the LEDs are turned off on the receivers, only the check light is blinking slowly. To quit this mode, you just need to turn on the command unit. The Windows maintenance software is used to test the receivers. You can find it in the USB key inside the suitcase. To test it, pass the safety delay on the receiver. To enter maintenance mode on the command unit, press the button 1 and 2 while powering it on. Now on the command unit, select the receiver that you want to test. On the software, select the COM port where the dongle is connected. You can now test the continuity, the charge and the firing of the receiver.